KSRTC has organized a special trip to Gokak Falls via Hitkal Dam and Gochanmalki. So we decided to go on this small trip. The trip started from CBT at 9 o'clock in the morning and took us first to Hitkal Dam, then to Gochanmalki, and last to Gokak Falls. From there, the bus returned back to Belgaum at 6 o'clock in the evening. Hello and namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Gokak Falls. This trip is being arranged by KSRTC Belgaum Depot. We booked our ticket online. The bus was new and very clean. The bus is almost full. Now we all are ready to go now. After inspecting the number of passenger, the driver is all set to start the journey. Okay, the driver has started the vehicle and now we'll be going to Hitkal Dam. थोड़ा-थोड़ा ही मिलेगा।
ये उलट अच्छा है तुमको सब दिखता है देखो
The lake on the left side is known as Kotekere. People come here for their evening walks and also boat rides. We also picked some passenger on the way who had already booked their ticket, but they could not come to CBT to board the bus. Altogether, the surrounding was looking very beautiful. We are now nearing the Hitkal Dam reservoir. In 2 minutes, we'll be reaching the dam. The distance from Belgaum to Hitkal Dam is approximately 36 kilometers. This dam is also known as Raja Lakkamagowda Dam. The dam is constructed on Ghataprabha River. Unfortunately, we were not allowed to go near the dam. We just had to see the reservoir from far. From here you can see the Hitkal Dam reservoir. This is the Hitkal Dam reservoir where the Ghataprabha water has been collected. This trip has been organized by KSRTC Belgaum Depot. From CBT, we have come here directly to Hitkal Dam. This is the first destination. From here, we'll be going to Gochanmalki, and from there, we'll be going to Gokak Falls. As it was raining very heavily, we were not allowed to enter the dam. So we viewed the dam from outside. It's raining too much like outside. Now we are going to Gochanmalki Falls, but the road is not so good. Even the weather is not good. It's raining, and everywhere it's what to tell. Full muddy it has become. We are not able to walk on the trail. From here, we have to walk a distance of 200 to 300 meters to reach the falls. All the way from here, you find small stalls where mirchi vadas, pakodas are being made. Small hotels are there available.
स्पॉट आगे है क्या आगे जाना इधर ही है नजदीक में है वो पहले वो और दूसरा रूट था
Just 100 meters from here, you will come. You will get to see the Gochinmalki Falls.
देखते हैं जिसका
Spot आगे. All small snacks are available for you all. Till you reach the falls, you come across the small stalls. In this weather, it's nice to eat butta, no? The path to the falls is not at all good. It's very dangerous, very slippery. You have to be very careful while walking. We have to be careful, huh? And this is the falls. This is the beautiful Gochinmalki Falls, also known as Markandeya Falls, as this falls is based on Markandeya River. This falls is located at around 40 kilometers from Belgaum and 15 kilometers from Gokak. Actually, this is the smaller part of the falls, and little further from here, if you go, you will find the bigger falls. As the path was very slippery, we could not reach till there. Now it was time for us to go back to the bus. On the way back, we saw this garam bhajiyas being fried, which tempted us to buy it. Hot from the pan, we purchased this mirchi bhajis. Very nice, very delicious it was. In my next video, I will be showing the Gokak Falls. Till then, goodbye. If you all liked my video, please like, share and subscribe.